CLC is a girl group, but did I say their name crystal clear? Oh my god, it's been way too long. Seriously, how long? It's been more than a year since CLC last had a comeback. God damn, and that was with Devil's Smile or something like that, which was a pretty good song. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty good song. But today, we're in a helicopter. Nah, but CLC Helicopter has just been released. So what we're gonna do is just get straight into it. Let's do this. I can't wait to see what this is gonna be like. I feel like it's gonna be super badass. So yeah, let's do this. We won't be lonely at the top. Of course not. Cause I'll be there. In my dreams, goddamn. Okay, sorry. Badass is happening. Holy shit, this is going ham! This is going ham! Okay, I told you it was gonna be a badass goddamn song. So let's continue. Holy crap. Pilot. Holy crap, her rapping skills is always insane. Yeon? I'm pretty sure that's her name. Why does she always look so badass? She knows how to be badass. Holy crap. And Aoki. I'm pretty sure that was Aoki. Bro, this song is so good. It's so good. What? I haven't seen a choreo like that. So that is cool. Okay, let's continue. But what the hell? How can there be such a sick choreography? And it's just the solo as well. So it makes me think what the rest of the choreography will be with the rest of the group. Oh. Dude! Wow, this song is sick! What? Oh my god! She's got such a cool voice. Like, when it comes to rapping, her voice is one of my favorites. God damn, their costume designs is awesome for this. This music video has just been awesome the entire time. Like, look at that! That looks so cool! Bro! This is so good. Okay, don't need to show off like that. I would do that, but my... God damn, I would do that, but my chair would just break. Wow, she's so beautiful. I'm waiting for it. It's just gonna be badass from now on. Man, the notes! God damn! Wow, that high note was amazing. Oh, just... Wow! Okay, I got goosebumps. This song is sick. Absolutely amazing. Wait, how do they? There we go. But I've been noticing a lot of groups have been doing like the shooting choreography lately, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's badass. Like, goddamn, this song was badass. I knew it was gonna be badass. I have a badass. Alright, that settles it. The CLC once again, banging with another bop. God damn, that was good. That was like, oh my god, that was such a good song. So badass, so good. The music video as well was so well done. I love it. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I've always have been a fan of CLC. But yeah, that is going to be all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, show some support by leaving a like. Comment down below how much you freaking love CLC, and also subscribe for my reactions to CLC's future releases, because I will react to their future releases. And yeah. Other than that, hopefully you all have a great day. Stay safe out there. I don't want you to get sick, okay? I care for you, so please don't get sick. And yeah, have a great day. Peace.